Assalamualaikum. Headset in 60 seconds by Sadali Sayed, Network and Research Administrator. A headset makes spoken communication possible without having to wear an earpiece or hold a microphone. It replaces, for example, a telephone handset and can be used to talk and listen at the same time. Other common uses of headsets are for gaming or video communications in conjunction with a computer. A headset always has a microphone that are attached to it which allows users to speak. Headphones allow user to just listen to music or sounds. However, headsets also do the same, but they also have the microphone. Okay, means headphone have microphone, but headset have microphone and speaker as well. But headphone have just speaker, no microphone. So headset what do also do the same, but they also have the microphone that allows the user to speak while listening.